Did you know Netflix has 70% more shows in the US than anywhere else? But if you're outside America, you're locked out of hit movies and classics. Today, I'll show you how to unlock US Netflix in seconds, no matter where you live. Let's get started. Ever heard of a VPN? It's short for Virtual Private Network, a nifty tool that hides your IP address and encrypts your online activity. Picture this. With a VPN, you can magically make it seem like you're chilling in the United States, even if you're miles away. This clever trick lets you unlock all the exclusive content tucked away in the US Netflix library. Movie night just got a whole lot more exciting. Now, let's talk about why use a VPN for Netflix. Bypass geo-restrictions. Ever notice some countries get all the good stuff on Netflix? With a VPN, you can jump on a server in places like the US or UK, unlocking exclusive shows and movies unavailable in your area. It's like having a backstage pass to Netflix's global content vault. Second, access your library while traveling. Picture this. You're jet-setting across the globe, but your Netflix favorites are left behind due to regional restrictions. Fear not. A VPN swoops in, connecting you to a server back home, letting you binge-watch your usual library, even when far from your couch. Last, stay secure and private online. Online prowlers beware. A VPN wraps your internet connection in an encrypted cloak, shielding your data from prying eyes, especially when surfing on sketchy public Wi-Fi networks. It's like having a digital bodyguard for your Netflix marathons. Want to unlock American Netflix and dive into a world of binge-watching bliss? UFO VPN has your back. Simply tap the link in the description to snag UFO VPN on your phone or computer. Fire up the app, select the location tab, and pick a server from the United States to connect. After that, verify your IP address is shifted to the US. And voila! Open Netflix and immerse yourself in all the exclusive US content. It's movie night elevated. So why UFO VPN is one of your best VPN choices? First, global servers. UFO VPN's network spans over 2,000 servers worldwide, smashing down barriers and opening up a treasure trove of content from across the globe. Whether you're craving Japanese anime, Hollywood hits, or Canadian dramas, UFO VPN has got you covered with servers galore. Second, privacy and security. UFO VPN acts like a digital fortress for your sensitive data, boasting top-tier encryption and a no-logs policy that keeps your personal info under wraps, away from prying eyes. Third, fast speed. Lag be gone. UFO VPN's speed test feature ensures you're always cruising on the fastest server. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, bid farewell to internet snail pace. But wait, there's more. UFO VPN goes above and beyond with features like the kill switch, ad blocker, and split tunneling, fortifying your online escapades with added layers of security and privacy. Elevate your online experience with UFO VPN by your side. Never settle for a tiny Netflix library again. Grab UFO VPN now and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.